Okay, so now we've installed our NAC module, we need to set the options for this module. So we enter the admin menu, select the admin icon, and because it's part of the I/O on the system, we select local I/O, and for the local panel, panel 1. And as you can see, we have a NAC Class B module installed. Now the settings for the Class A are the same, they're just wired in a different way. The Class B is wired as radials, whereas the Class A is wired as a loop. So we select our module, and as you can see from here, it's in port 4 and we're looking at output 1. If I press the down arrow, we're now looking at output 2 on the module. So if we go back, so if we tap in the top line, we can give a description for that particular output. So it might be a location within the building, certain areas or alarm group area. We can also assign that particular output to a zone. As you can see, by default it's in zone 1. If we want to change that, we just tap and put in the zone number you require. And the type, so at the moment it's saying sounder. This means it's an electronic sounder. Okay. The other option is a bell, a mechanical bell, or if you want, we can actually turn on the output permanently to give us a 24 volt 500 milliamp auxiliary output from that module. If you're going to use this setting, you need to make sure you remove the end of line resistor. So we'll leave it default set to a sounder, and then the other option we have here is the mode, so we can either disable that output or enable that output. So if we're happy with number 1, we can then go to port 2, and obviously being a fire system, it should either be all bells or all sounders. You can't have a mix of alarm units on one system. So you can't have bells and sounders on the same system, they should all be of the same type. So once we've set what we require, we just exit and save. And that's your NAC circuit set.